somebody just asked me if somebody buys something for $1,200 from the internet, do they have to pay the use tax on the entire $1,200 or just $200 of it with the $1,000 exemption? Which I actually thought was a pretty bright question.
Well, I asked Mr. Holler to respond to the question.
The tax would be on the full $1,200 because the business is the one making the sale and they're already, authorized to collect, they'll collect the whole thing. The personal exemption is if you would buy it somewhere with no tax whatsoever.
Yeah. If you bought two items and each one of them were $600, if you bought them together, you bought two of them in one transaction, tax would be due. If you bought 600 and the next day, the next 600.
I believe it says 1,000 per item on code.
Okay.
However, if it's a sale, internet sale, the whole thing would be. It was originally to prevent, you live here and you go to Scottsdale and buy something and bring it back, and let's say they have a lower rate than you do, then you want to pick up the difference or something, it's to eliminate those types of small transactions.
And again, I remind the council that most of the major retailers, such as Amazon and Walmart, are already collecting sales tax. Amazon made an agreement because they have a physical presence in Arizona. If you buy something from Arizona, you pay the sales tax, the use tax.
I've been told by people who have studied it that 45% of the use tax revenues that you would get over internet are really by the big box, the big Walmart of the world, the big national retailers. So they're very good about paying tax to where the goods are delivered.
Are there any other questions or comments from the council?
I have one other question. So when the state collects this and they reimburses our share, will they break it out so we'll be able to understand how much is attributable to the use tax versus sales tax?
Yes, there is a line item, a separate line item, one for sales tax, one for use tax, or for a bed tax, all that stuff. That's segregated.
No questions or comments from the council? Thank you, sir. Well done.
Thank you.
Unless there's other questions, comments from the council, I would ask for a motion to approve ordinance 2013-05.
So, second.
Who made the motion, please? Councilman Farrar. Councilman Miller is the second. We're voting on ordinance 2013-05 to establish a use tax in the town of Carefree. Positive vote would establish a tax. All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries unanimously. Thank you.